Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today I came with a new chapter, chapter 9, My Family. Children, in this chapter we are going to learn about family. What is the spelling of family? F A M I L Y. Family. We all have family. And what is called a family? A group of people including grandparents, parents, and children make a family. Children, a group of people including first one grandparents, second parents, and children make a family, and we learn many things from our family. So a group of people including grandparents, parents, and children make a family, and we learn many things from our family. Parents look after their children. Children, our parents look after us. Parents look after the children. They provide shelter, food, clothes, and education to the children. Children, parents provide. First one is shelter. Our parents provide us shelter. Then second one food. Then third one clothes. And fourth one education. Children, our parents provide us shelter, food, clothes, and education. What is the spelling of shelter? Shelter. Shelter. Then food. 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 Then third, clothes. 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 Then education. 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 So our parents look after us. Parents look after their children, and they provide shelter, food, clothes, and education to the children. Children, you want to do this work yourselves. How many members are there in your family? You want to count the members in your family. How many members in your family? Second, what are their names and how are they related to you? You want to write their names and their relationship with you. You want to write the names and relationship with you. Sharing our feelings. Children, we all have feelings and we would like to share our feelings to the close ones. Here, in case of Rohan, he studies in class 2 and he admires his grandfather most among his relatives. Because he admires him most is that his grandfather is very gentle in his behavior and his knowledge is very vast. Sometimes we also like our grandfather or grandmother because they are gentle in behavior and their knowledge is very vast, and they will tell us some stories, so we like them. Here he teaches Rohan many things every day. Like Rohan, our grandparents also teaches us every day many things every day. He does not angry when Rohan asks him to explain a thing again. Here we want to write, whom do you admire most among all your relatives? Children, you want to write, whom do you admire most among all your relatives? Then with which family member do you like to share your feelings? Then how do you show respect to the elders in your families? Then when you are sad, who do you go to? You want to write it yourselves. Families are of different types, children. Families are of different types. All families are different. In some families, there are lots of children. In some families, there are only one child. A family having one or two children is called a small or nuclear family. Children, a family having one or two children. Only one or two children is called a small or nuclear family. Then a family having more than two children is called a big family. Children, a family having more than two children. A small family having one or two children. A big family having more than two children. A family having more than two children is called a big family. Grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, uncle, aunt, and children live together in a joint family. Children, in a joint family, grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, uncle, aunt, and children live together. So, in a small family, one or two children. Big family, more than two children. In a joint family, grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, uncle, aunt, and children live together. Children, it does not matter what kind of family you have, whether a small family, big family, or joint family. What matters is love. The main thing is love. The members of our family try to give us good food and clothes, and they look after us when we are sick. They comfort us when we are sad. So, the main thing is love. Family tree. A family tree shows the relationship between the members of different generations of the same family. Children, a family tree shows the relationship between the members of different generations of the same family. Grandparents, that is grandfather, grandmother is first generation. Children, grandparents, that means grandfather, grandmother, first generation. Parents, mother, father, uncle, aunt, second generation. Children, mother, father, uncle, aunt, second generation. Sister, brother, and cousins, that means cousin boy and cousin girl, third generation. Children, first generation shows grandparents, that is grandfather and grandmother, and second generation shows our parents, that is mother and father, uncles, aunts, and third generation shows us and our cousins. That means you and your cousins, sister, brother, cousin boy, or cousin sister. Children, here are some dictation words for you. Study the difficult words. First one, family. F A M I L Y. Family. Second, joint. J O I N T. Joint. Third, children. 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 Fourth one, grandfather. 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 Father. Grandfather. Shelter. 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 Love. L-O-V-E. Love. Relationship. R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N-S-H-I-P. Relationship. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Feelings. 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 Generations. 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 So children, we studied children and parents make a family. Parents look after the children. Families can be small, big or joint. And love is the most important thing in a family. I hope you understand the chapter. Thank you.